Hello my withered friends, welcome back to another video. It's been a while, as you're probably aware. Uh, quarantine's been difficult, but that's kind of to be expected, but that's not why I'm here. I'm here to open about something more personal than quarantine. Something that isn't easy, nor will it ever be easy. As you are all aware, bullying is a major problem. All sorts of things can make it a major problem. From it being psychological, physical, or mental. Well, I was once strangled as a kid, and because of it, it caused PTSD. Something that, I must admit, I thought at the time was only for soldiers. But that's not what I'm on about. What I'm on about is because of thinking about a video from a while back with Logan Paul. Yes, it's a late response, but when I was 12 or 13, I can't quite remember, I moved from Guildford to Cornwall after meeting my first true friend. It was, to say the least, one of the most devastating moments of my life. I had only just met a true friend, and I thought I'd lost them forever because of moving. The PTSD, the anxiety, all sorts of things from my autism built and built and built before I thought that my life was worthless. I, at the time, wanted it to end, believed it was the best option. You may say this is a fake story, but it's not. I'm not good with showing emotions due to my autism and other things. But I can tell you the feeling was real. I am unsure what stopped me at the time, what kept me from doing it, whether I was afraid of the repercussions, believing that there was nothing that could actually do it, or deep down having a bit of that little bit of hope that kept me persevering. However, one day I met someone who would be a good friend, but he was in a worse situation than me. He had moved from London to Cornwall, much like me, but his mum and dad were in the middle of a divorce. I will not say his name for discretion, but it was then I realised, well, my life has meaning because this guy's situation 10 times worse than mine ever could be. So I decided to pull myself together and to help this young man who I could tell he was definitely struggling. I'm going to call him John for discretion's sake. John was, quiet, didn't smile much, he was quite reclusive, but in time, thanks to effort, he warmed to my attempts to make him feel better, and he and I became good friends. You see, John, he was him and I would in time, even I'd go around his house, I'd help him cope with all sorts of difficult situations, and we even helped each other make our YouTube careers. You may think that my reason for the thing was petty, but imagine you're a young man or a child, alone for several years, afraid, still struggling to get over the past and your mental issues because of someone's excessive retaliations, and you have to leave your friend. All I'm trying to say is, suicidal urges come in different shapes and different sizes. They can be because of small things or big things. I'm here to say, if you ever need help, ask for it. Because if you don't, you'll only hurt yourself and hurt others further down the line. I'm sorry this isn't much of a cheerful topic, my withered friends, but it's here for a reason. Keep watching. I hope to talk to you all soon, and I'll see you in the next video.